the exclusive interview with Bharat Checks. Today we are at the Bharat Insurance Summit and Award. With us we have Shami Kapoor, the Senior Vice President and Head of IT Operations of Tata AIG Insurance. So good afternoon to you, sir. Let's just begin with that rapid questionnaire. You were the speaker to this event. Can you just give us a key output from your session?
I think something which you want to take away from the entire session is about how you blend technology, how you are able to blend it in your entire ecosystem, create an experience both for customers, and you are able to sell well, you are able to sell the right product, right service, so that you have better customer loyalty and you have got better customer retention being with you.
Okay, so can you just tell us about in what ways are insurance company empowering agents to be more than just a salesperson?
I think in today's era, insurance is not about selling. It's more about making you as a part of your journey. Because insurance earlier was taken as a tax benefit, but today I think it's becoming a protection area, you know. And that's where the role of the entire agents have changed. They have evolved more in knowing customer needs, customer requirement, and it's not about sell anything, but pick up the right product from the basket which suits the needs and requirement of the customer, so that he really enjoys the benefit of it when the need comes.
Okay. Apart from this, does insurance sector is having AI into it? Like, are they adapting AI?
Very true. I think if I have to bifurcate the entire insurance piece into three sections, one is the pre-sales journey. I think pre-sales journey quite heavily the technology is getting used, your artificial intelligence, your data engineering, because that actually helps you to create your cohorts where you want to approach, how you want to approach, what product segment you want to do, what are the areas where you want to build across in the entire section of selling your products for various channels, because there are n number of channels today in the insurance industry and you have different kinds of customers, so you need to cater to them. When you talk about the buying experience, I think it has to be seamless, zero touch, over the counter selling experience. So that's where technology is playing very role. And post issuance, I think there lies the icing on the cake, because the customer is empowered on his own, whether he wants to do any self-service, he wants to register a claim, he wants to talk to an agent, everything with lot of bots, lot of AI bots. Today it is possible for us to serve customer on his own ease and at whatever time he wants to interact.
Also, when you said AI, so how do you understand the crisis management using that tone when they use chatbot for it?
I think you need to differentiate that, how you want to service your customer, or even for that matter, how you want to approach your customer. Now that's where artificial intelligence needs to be thought through very well. At the end of the day, these tools talks on the enrichment of your data. So if the classification and enrichment of your data is really strong, I think even a complex query can be answered with the help of a bot. And for that matter, if you move ahead, if you have a very structured information available at your end, making customer believe that you are able to cater to him and predict his needs and guide him better, that will really lead a lot of values to him.
Okay, great. So apart from this, all about AI and insurance, I have a quick rapid fire questions. So you like beaches or mountains?
Mountains.
Planned trips or one-day trips?
Unplanned trips mostly, but planned trips when I'm going out with family.
You book your trips through a travel agency?
No, I do it myself.
You do it. So it would be great in case if you want to travel somewhere and you use Bharat Rails as a travel partner.